Are you ever thought that selling a attractive thumbnail be a good side hustle? If not so, in today's video, I'm going to teach a easy peasy side hustle that makes you a 10 to 50k per month. You think that selling a thumbnail is a side hustle that didn't exist before? Trust me, there are so many people, graphic designer and even freelancer make their full income with this side hustle. So grab your coffee and let's hustle together. Before you are going to start, if you want to learn various side hustles, then I recommend you to check out the playlist in the above cards. So at first, go to the website called Gilf. The link is also attached in the description, so check it out. Gilf is a AI website that gives a lot of features like video generator, image generator and also templates, etc. After that, search thumbnail and you see a lot of attractive and stunning thumbnail that are created by various creators or graphic designers. Select the attractive thumbnail and download it. After that, go to chatgpt and upload your proper and clear picture or upload your client picture that you are working with them. Then also upload the thumbnail that you are selected and downloaded from Gilf. After that, give a prompt like recreate the attached thumbnail for YouTube by adding the image which is displayed. After that, ChatGPT merges the two images and gives the thumbnail. Now you can download that and sell it to your clients. Now I'm gonna tell the various ways to earn money by using this side hustle. At first, if you have a YouTube channel and struggling to make attractive thumbnail, then this side hustle is useful for you to make stunning thumbnail for your YouTube videos, and also you can easily grow your channel and get lot of views. The other way you can make money from the side hustle is to create attractive thumbnail for your clients. To get a client, go to YouTube and Instagram and find a creator who are not making attractive thumbnail for their YouTube channel. After you find the creator, DM them and say that I see your channel. You are doing a fantastic job and creating some wonderful contents, but your thumbnail is average and I am ready to make a attractive thumbnail for you. After that, send some of the thumbnail you created before. After that, give your offer, but set a low price at the starting stage. If the creator accepts your offer and make payments, create stunning thumbnail for them and send it to them. If they are not satisfied with your work, don't hesitate to create another thumbnail. Do as many thumbnail for them until they are satisfied. The third way is to become freelancer by creating seller account in Fiverr or Upwork and get a client. The last way is to sell the thumbnail in Etsy or other digital product websites. Don't forget that the thumbnail also a digital product, so you can easily sell it as a template to the people. So comment down which of the way are you gonna start off. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustle. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram for future updates. See you soon. Have a great day.